Students, let us try to now talk about our chemistry in terms of experiments. There is a box which is what is called as the chemistry lab kit. In this chemistry lab kit, all the necessary chemicals are there, along with even a wire gauge, a beaker, a china dish, so many students. Not only that, I kept over here chemicals also, chemicals of different types completely. For example, here I have got potassium chromate, sodium acetate, ferrous sulfate, so many. Why have I kept it? The class 10 and 9th, whatever experiments are there or whatever theory is there can be understood very well with the help of these experiments. Now, today, I am going to go for a very, very important one. You have studied in class 9 about atoms, molecules before going to stoichiometry. And what did you find here? Dalton gave some theory. And what is the theory he gave? The theory he gave was that the smallest particle of matter is atom. And further he said so many things which can be understood with the help of our experiments. Small one, see here. What is this, students? A chalk, right? We have a chalk, I keep it here. Next, I have got here iron filings or iron powder. I have kept iron powder over here. Let me take up the iron powder and keep it here in a china dish. Okay, I keep it in the china dish. Please wait, see here. See here, iron filings I am putting here. In the china dish, I have taken the iron filings. Now observe carefully to what I show you. These iron filings are powdered already. I put it over here. Can you see the smallest particles coming over here? Can you see the smallest particles? Smallest of the smallest particles you can see here. I can break that also. And if I break that, still I will have the smallest particle. Now, I put all the iron filings over here and spread it a little bit here. Okay, students? Next. See here, students. I want all of you people to understand what I am doing. Is it matter or is it not matter? Has it got mass or has it not got mass? It has got mass. It occupies space. It has got volume. All those things. Now I break. I break it. I break it further. I break it further. I go on breaking it, and I get smallest of the particles here. Can you see the small particles over here? So as I said, see, small particles are there. Even smaller particles can be there. I can go on breaking it, and I can get smaller particle. That is what Dalton said. Dalton said that if you go on breaking matter into smaller particles, you get the smallest of the particle. And this smallest of the particle, which you can observe over here, can be further broken, and there will be the smallest particle, which he termed the name as atom. From there atomic structure came. Now, another important point he said, What do you say? Look at these chalk particles which I have broken. When I break it, all of them are having the same type of color or different type of color? Same type of color. Okay, all particles are similar or not? And here you see, all particles are similar or not, students? I further make it smaller, and I find here all the particles are same. This matter and this matter, both of them, are they same or are they different? They are different. So now what Dalton said, he said atoms of the same substance are similar. Atoms of the same substance are similar, but atoms of two different substances are dissimilar. Can you see the dissimilarity or not? This is physical property I am showing. Now if I go for the chemical properties, I find here even the chemical reactions will be different, telling thereby very clearly that atoms of the same particle or same substance will show or have the same physical properties and chemical properties, but atoms of two different substances, they will have two different physical and chemical properties. Next, if iron is there, I will show you here. I also have sulfur over here. I am taking this sulfur now and show you here sulfur particles. I have got sulfur. See, this small box contains so many things, students. I have got sulfur. Now, I put here dissimilar, these two, but all of them here are similar. Now, what I want you to tell is atoms of the different substances, when they are made to combine, they will form a new substance, which is what is called as compound atom. Is that clear, students? So in short, so easily with the help of this particular box, whatever matter is there, we can talk about or understand what Dalton's atomic theory. I hope you understood how to find out about the or how to understand about Dalton's atomic theory with the help of small experiments. This can be done in your home also. You can do it. You can take sugar, you can take sodium chloride, you can take even what is it called tamarind. You go on breaking them into smaller particles. Chalk piece you can take. Like this, if you go on doing it, you will find that yes, you are able to understand Dalton's theory much more easily. Okay, students, do this experiment in your home. Thank you.